stretcher comes running out, people start following it. Hughes, what are you doing back there, buddy?
Bring this bad boy out.
Chase, you guys have an on-jack pop in and switch around.
I want to go see one, man.
There's just one section.
It's almost
like,
sold out though, isn't it?
yeah, you won't be able to see a home game this year. There's one section, it's like all these they got like their flag up and it's going nuts. And they,
Is there a lot of
Cheers!
no, or there's and like
So we need to know first.
no,
Brian.
Say they were in the corner, they've been taking a corner, throwing them on these guys.
Okay, first group.
The fans are nuts.
Run, this is Brian.
It was pretty good.
Why does Andrew have to swim?
Yeah, that happens.
I need it.
You want to do on the same side then? Yeah, alright.
Are you gonna ask? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is tight, eh? She has to hit a left. She got her arms. Where they get
Breathe out, go.
No, they were getting out. We're never gonna get it. It's the other way! This is the worst race ever.
Brody, take him down, buddy. He's not there yet. Take him down.
What is this? Okay, Leo.
Alright, Big T, welcome.
It's like another lost friend.
Kara, what happened? Whoa. That's intense. Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Come on, guys, keep
So how are you guys feeling about the race?
It's pretty intense. We heard that the tubes are really, really hot inside.
Really warm. Sticky.
How do you think that'll affect your performance?
Well, you're sliding down. You're not really doing much else, but should be all right. We'll be able to handle it.
A veteran like you?
Yeah. My main concern is tripping.
Look at that transition. Oh no. Unnoticed. Cubes is gonna make his comeback.
Not yet.
Go get another two! Go!
Oh, the same thing.
Go!
Chasing some interference.
Is that your team?
The dash up the stairs. Oh, she's making her comeback. Runs to the gym. Sending home a victory, I think. The home stretch, the hardest part. Not far behind his cubes. Let's see how this turns out. What a comeback! Ready at the top? See how the tanks do.